Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the slip start feature in your Tesla so that it's easier to get out of a situation where you're stuck in sand, snow, or ice. Essentially, it's going to turn off the traction control and allow your tires to spin freely at a lower speed. So to do this, we're going to open up our menu by clicking on the icon of the car in the bottom left-hand corner. And then in our menu, we're going to open up where it says Dynamics. And then in this menu, we can see here at the bottom, there is the slip start option used to help free vehicle stuck in snow, sand, or mud. And we can toggle this to the on position. And then you're going to get this little indicator that says slip start enabled. And if we look close at this icon, it says TC with a line through it. That means your traction control is turned off. And again, that's to make it so that your tires can spin freely. And this should only be used when trying to get out of a situation when you're stuck, for instance, in sand, mud, snow, ice, etc. And once you're unstuck, you want to turn slip start off, and we toggle that off and we can see we have confirmation with this little pop-up going away. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over where you can turn on or off slip start and when you would want to use this. And again, worth mentioning, you don't want to keep this on because it turns your traction control off. So as soon as you get unstuck, you want to flip this back to the off position so that you have that traction control turned back on.